Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the Hakka culture, dragons symbolize good luck. Each year, dragon dances are held during the Chinese New Year festivities. But that's not all. They also participate in a special custom called Bom Leong, Hakka for blowing up the dragon. But a dragon isn't literally blown up. Firecrackers are set off to simulate an explosion. This is the Hakka's way of asking the gods for blessing and prosperity. And in recent years, Miaoli has been the place to visit to see these festive celebrations.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 新年快樂！
新年快樂！
I'm Joseph Lin, Lim Zevsiu. And Happy New Year, that's what it meant. We are here to tell you more about the culture and traditions of Hakka people, and especially during Chinese New Year, because this is such a happy month for celebrating the new year. 其實以前我們有聊過一個活動啊，我想再介紹一次。
什麼活動？
我記得是要炸龍啊，那個
我
叫做什麼？
知道啦，哎呀，那就是苗栗的梆龍。
梆龍，對啊，棒龍嘛，對不對？
棒龍
，which means 要炸龍的樣子。
對對對，梆就是客家話的炸的意思，
炸的意思，對不對？但這個炸呢，不是要炸來吃哦，對不對？
那是要用鞭炮去炸的。
Yes, this is an event that we probably talked about last year, but I really want to refresh people's memories, and I still haven't been to it, and I really want to go, and I want to invite everyone to go together. It takes place in 苗栗嘛，對不對？
對，在苗栗。
That is Leo's hometown, and it's a Hakka event where they blow up dragons, dancing dragons on the streets.
每年都会有很多舞龙的队伍来参与这个活动啊，然后的民众就拿你的鞭炮把那个龙炸得越烂越好，就表示越有福气。
所以大家都会带很多鞭炮过去，对不对？
对对对对，但是不能把它绑在身上哦，这样很危险。
Okay, you gotta be careful participating in this event, but it sounds very fun. People would bring a lot of firecrackers to the location in Miaoli, and as these dragon parade through the streets, you would actually throw these firecrackers at the dragon, and it really is to bring in good luck and prosperity, and it's really fun, but please proceed with caution. 当然呢，我们玩鞭炮、丢鞭炮的时候还是要小心一点。
对啊，对啊。
All right, let's review how to say this event in Hakka. It's called 炸龍 or 棒龍。
梆龍。
梆龍, which literally means blowing up the dragon. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自say張磊了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.